Hello, good afternoon. My name is Veronica. Today I'll be guiding you through the process of the client-side onboarding. What we'll go ahead and do is, as you can see, we're already on the Connect to Microsoft 365 page. We'll go ahead and click on Connect on this side. Once you synchronize your user contact details, you're going to go ahead and click to install Exclaimer Cloud for Outlook from the Microsoft App Source. We're going to click Install. It's going to take us directly onto this section. Once we're here, what we're going to go ahead and do is click Get It Now. And this is going to take you to the Microsoft 365 to complete this process. In this case, if you're doing this section, what I would recommend is have a test group created, a mail-enabled security group, and you're going to use that test group and add the users you need into that test group. So that way you only affect those individuals. So we'll go over here onto the users, specify the specific sender, and we'll look for the test group that we need. From there, we'll go ahead and click Update. And now only the individuals who are within that test group will have this Outlook add-in being deployed out. Once you've deployed this add-in, you're going to come back over onto the Exclaimer Cloud portal. Check that I have installed Exclaimer Cloud for Outlook add-in. Click Continue. Now, as you can see, the synchronization is complete. You can go ahead and click Complete Onboarding. The main thing that I would like to show you, and this add-on has a requirement that your users have to be using Outlook version 2108 or newer. Now, if your users are using older versions of Outlook, go and search for the client-side cloud Exclaimer Cloud signature for client-side install. This shows you the 3 different versions that we have. So we have the Outlook add-in, which is what we just went through for these are the requirements, and this is where it verifies the version. So it has to be 21 or 8 or newer. The other thing is, if there are older versions of Outlook, this is where you would be able to download the desktop agent. All you'd have to do is download to click once to test it out. You would install this application, go through this process. You're going to receive a pop-up saying to sign in, and that'll be it. In here, you'll be able to see the signatures just as you will be able to see it on the add-in, but the only difference is that the Outlook client-side agent, so this app that we're installing now, is only capable of applying a signature to your desktop app of Outlook only. So from here, we'll go ahead and click Close. And if you're ready to move forward and want to deploy this out to everybody else, you go ahead and just download the MSI package, and you'll be able to read the knowledge base article down here, and it'll basically give you the guidelines on how to deploy the client-side agent either via GPO, per user, per machine, and then you can also do it using Intune as well. But that's pretty much it. So as you can see, we have knowledge base articles pretty much everywhere, giving you step-by-step information of everything you need to do. But once you're back in here, all you'd have to do is go over onto signatures, create a signature, and test everything out. Other than that, I think you're pretty much set. If you guys have any sorts of questions, just feel free to reach out. Thank you.